Let's face it, long-haul economy flights can be tough, but you don't have to suffer. With a few smart strategies, you can arrive refreshed and ready to explore. No business class ticket required. Today, I'll share my top 10 tips to make your next long-haul flight comfortable, restful, and even enjoyable. Stick around for tip number 10. Your seat choice could make or break your trip. Let's get started and make your next flight your best one yet. Tip number 1. Book smart with seat apps. Comfort starts even before you pack your bags or head to the airport. It begins the moment you book your seat. Securing the right seat can dramatically improve your overall travel experience. Don't leave your comfort to chance. Don't let the airline assign you a random spot. This can often lead to cramped conditions or undesirable locations on the plane. Instead, take control of your seating destiny. Use seat map sites like SeatMaps, Aerolopa instead of Seat Guru. Seat Guru was the reference, but now it's outdated, so don't get trapped. These platforms are invaluable resources for savvy travelers. These sites allow you to see the best and worst seats on your exact flight, providing a detailed layout of the aircraft. These maps highlight seats with extra legroom, a feature that can make a significant difference on long flights. For your reference, I put their links in the description. They also point out those near noisy galleys where constant activity can disrupt your peace. And they warn you about ones with limited recline, which can be a real pain on overnight journeys. Avoid unpleasant surprises. Check the map before you commit to a seat. To be absolutely sure, cross-reference the information with the airline's own seating chart. Take your time, weigh your options, and pick your spot wisely. This quick 2-minute step is your first line of defense against a potentially miserable flight experience. You'll board the plane knowing you've done everything possible to secure the best seat available. It's a small effort that can lead to a huge upgrade in comfort and overall enjoyment of your journey. Build your flight on this solid foundation of preparation and informed decision-making. Number 2. Choose the back row strategically. Here's a pro move for savvy traveler. Strategically consider the back row when selecting your seat. It's a choice many overlook, but it can significantly impact your flight experience. While most passengers rush to secure seats at the front of the plane, eager to disembark first, the back of the aircraft often fills up last. This can present a golden opportunity, giving you a higher chance of snagging an empty seat or even an entire row all to yourself. Yes, it's true. You'll be situated near the galley where the flight attendants prepare meals and the lavatories. But this proximity also means you're conveniently close to the crew for any quick requests you might have. Plus, you'll likely be first in line for the bathroom after meal services, avoiding those long queues. The trade-off for this prime location? Perhaps a little extra noise from the galley or lavatories, but that's often a small price to pay for a lot more personal space and freedom. Personally, I've scored some real quality sleep on long flights by stretching out comfortably across empty seats in the back row. It's a game changer. So don't automatically dismiss those last rows when booking your next flight. Sometimes they hold the secret to a surprisingly restful and enjoyable journey. It's a calculated risk, weighing the potential drawbacks against the possibility of extra space and comfort, but it's a risk that often pays off handsomely. Smart travelers understand this secret. Sometimes the very back of the plane is precisely where true comfort and relaxation can be found. Number 3. Order a special meal. Want to eat first and eat better? Order a special meal when booking. You don't need a dietary restriction. Just select vegetarian, low sodium, or another option. Special meals are served before the main service, letting you eat, use the lavatory, and settle in before the crowd. They're often fresher and lighter, helping you feel better during the flight. It's a free, easy upgrade to your in-flight experience. Number 4. Dress for comfort. What you wear truly matters when you travel. The right clothing can significantly impact your comfort and overall experience, especially on long journeys. Dress in layers. Think a breathable t-shirt as your base, followed by a long-sleeve shirt. And don't forget a light jacket. This layering system allows you to easily adapt to changing cabin temperatures, ensuring you stay comfortable throughout your flight. Merino wool is often a traveler's best friend. It's soft against the skin, remarkably breathable, and naturally odor-resistant, making it ideal for travel. Skip tight jeans entirely. Instead, go for loose, comfy pants that allow for easy movement. For travelers over 50, maintaining good circulation is especially key. Therefore, wear compression socks to help prevent swelling in your legs and ankles. They also play a vital role in reducing the risk of deep vein thrombosis, or DVT. Put them on before you even leave home for the best preventative results. Pair your outfit with comfortable slip-on shoes. This makes for easy security checks at the airport and provides added in-flight comfort. Making smart clothing choices means you'll step off the plane feeling refreshed and great. Remember, it's not primarily about high fashion. It's ultimately about feeling your absolute best throughout your travels. Dress comfortably for the entire journey, not just for when you arrive at the destination. Number 5. Pack a mini essentials kit. Avoid constant trips to the overhead bin. Pack a small seat bag with your essentials. Before you sit, pull out this pouch and stash your main bag above. Fill it with lip balm, lotion, eye drops, headphones, a pen, meds, tissues, and a charging cable. Keep everything within reach, so you're not fumbling in the dark or disturbing neighbors. This simple organization turns your cramped seat into a functional space. You'll feel more in control and relaxed. No more relying on the seatbelt sign to move around. Your own little bubble of comfort makes a long flight much easier. Number 6. Bring a wide-mouth thermos. Hydration is crucial, but those tiny cups don't cut it. Bring a wide-mouth insulated thermos, ask the crew to fill it with water or hot water. Enjoy your own tea, coffee, or even instant soup or oatmeal mid-flight. The wide mouth lets you prep snacks, not just drinks. You're no longer tied to the beverage cart schedule. A thermos means comfort, warmth, and autonomy at your seat. It's a small item with a big impact on your well-being. Don't board without it. Number 7. Turn your phone into an in-flight cinema. Don't gamble on the plane's entertainment. Download your favorite movies and shows to your phone or tablet before you fly. Bring a small phone stand for hands-free viewing on your tray table. Add noise-canceling headphones to block out engine noise and immerse yourself. This setup creates your own personal cinema, making hours fly by. No more neck strain or boredom. You control the entertainment, not the airline. It's the easiest way to make a long flight feel short. Number 8. Don't count on airplanes' power. Never trust the plane's power outlets. They're often broken or too weak. Always pack a power bank with at least 10,000 mAh to keep your devices charged. Bring a multi-cable adapter to cover all your gadgets. This way, you can watch, read, and navigate without battery anxiety. Stay self-sufficient and avoid frustration. Your devices will be ready when you land. Power up, no matter what the airline provides. Number 9. Buckle over the blanket for undisturbed sleep. Want uninterrupted sleep? Buckle your seatbelt over your blanket so flight attendants can see it during checks. You'll avoid being woken up for seatbelt inspections. It's a tiny trick that protects your rest. For neck support, experiment. U-shaped pillows aren't for everyone. Try scarf-style pillows or rectangular pillows, or use the airline pillow for lumbar support. Find what works for you to maximize comfort. Small adjustments can mean real sleep even in economy. Rest well, arrive ready. Finally, number 10. Pick the middle block aisle seat. On wide-body planes, aim for an aisle seat in the center block. You get easy access to the aisle, but fewer people will climb over you compared to side aisles. Most seatmates will exit the other way, leaving you undisturbed. Enjoy freedom to get up when you want, with less interruption. It's the sweet spot for both rest and convenience. Check the seat map and grab this spot if you can. It's a small choice that makes a big difference. There you have it. 10 tips to make economy feel like first class. Use these hacks to take control of your comfort and arrive ready for adventure. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more travel wisdom. Share your own flight tips in the comments. Let's help each other travel smarter. Thanks for watching. Until next time, travel smart, spend less, and thrive after 50.